Zvishavane Primary School learners are reshaping the future through hands-on learning.
Talking to you in front of you is Thelma Chinembiri, a grade 6 at Errymaple Junior School. Today we decided to come showcase our project at ZITF because we made an automatic fan that works during the summer or anytime you'd like. It's because in Zvishavane we experience high temperatures above normal, and students in our class could barely focus on all right. So we decided to make an automatic fan that can cool them enough.
My name is Don. I'm a grade 5 learner at Errymaple Junior School. We use two DC motors to make the gears rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. I used two single bars to make the blades of the fan. We used 4 C plates to make the base of the project, and 7-volt batteries as our power source, and a microcontroller which is the brain of the project.
My name is Russel Gengezha, a grade 6 learner at Errymaple Junior School. So we switch on the microcontroller and the fan rotates clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Their teacher is visibly proud.
I'm really happy to join this program with my team, my robotics team. When I'm at school, I call them roboticists, meaning to say they solve problems using robotic skills.
Inspired by global efforts like the Artemis program, these learners dream big, setting their sights on Mars and beyond.
So my dream is to make a robot that can go to space and show us like planets we can't reach as humans. We can't go to Neptune, we can't go to Mars. So my robot is going to do that.
When I grow up, I want to be a robotics engineer. I want to make a Mars rover, which is not the same type but with more features.
And as the iconic ZITF tower rises above the exhibition grounds, it stands as a fitting symbol of their aspirations, reaching higher, pushing boundaries, and redefining what is possible. And the sky is not the limit. It is just the beginning. Panga 90 3KTV, ZITF grounds, Bulawayo.
Dreamers, believers, achievers. Thank you. Bye.